Here are your color options for the 2024 model year BMW X4. So, as often there is, the free color is simply an Alpine white. Then all the other options pretty much start at $650, like carbon black metallic. That is sharp looking. Or black sapphire metallic. A little bit different. Dark graphite metallic. I would call that charcoal, really. I like that. Phytonic blue. Very standard BMW color these days. Brooklyn gray metallic. Interesting. I like that. Tanzanite blue metallic. I'm never into this type of color from manufacturers where it's blue bordering on purple. Maybe you're different. Or if you don't want to pay $1,500 for that, you could pay $1,500 for Aventurin red metallic. So of all these colors, which would you pick? I think I would probably just pick this charcoal looking dark graphite metallic, or really just the bargain Alpine white, because I'm here in sunny South Florida where white looks beautiful. Put it in the comments.